Mutongeri wa DP Rigathi Gachagua nombete kwithirwa KeNHA Umomori boria bagwitithwa na mbere kaunti ya Nairobi ni rwangi rwa KeNHA akiuga bamurikite akariba kuma kirimara kiaria Gachagua nkuruki augite Umomori wa Githurai Roysambu na Uhuru Market bote kugitwana nkoro njega tauria Caleb Mutembe agutariria.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP tawe Rigathi Gachagua ni athithite mucemanio na atongoria kaunti ya Nairobi ena ntumiria kurungamana njaire iringikite kumana na mbura iria itite na mbere muno Nairobi na matura agituma ntumiri jia kuboreria baria baringikite ni mutino wa njira ntere jia webuye.
We wish to stand with the families of Kenyans who have lost their lives and property in the ongoing rains and floods, especially in Nairobi and its environs. We send our sympathies to you all and we share in your pain and losses. We also send our deepest sympathies to the victims of the Embu road crash that left at least 14 people dead and others critically injured. This is extremely painful to our nation.
Gachagua ugete mathithio ma Umomori wa nyumba ni rwangi rwa gwaka njira taru KeNHA temakio mto na njira ya kuthiria antu ba miriga ya kirimara kaunti ya Nairobi giuchumi na matiomba gwetekirika.
We raise issues of humanitarian concerns that are taking the style of targeted ethnic profiling of the Kikuyu, Embu and Meru communities in Nairobi that is well calculated to rip them off economically by the Kenya National Highways Authority, the Nairobi Governor Sakaja, and William Ruto.
Ni akoria kethirwa kwina umakire wa morio wa nyumba ne kigitumi okuthithwo tuko mundu nena ne kimiako imwete kuomorwa.
If the demolitions are genuine, why are they done under the cover of darkness? If it is genuine that public land and spaces should be vacated, why is Western Hotel standing tall on KCAA land and other properties owned by corrupt city officials and national politicians not touched? This double standard exposes a troubling pattern where the law appears harsh on the weak and strangely hesitant when it comes to powerful interest.
Augete Umomori ni njira ya rais kunyamaria miriga ya kirimara iria ina wingi wa kura kaunti ya Nairobi.
We have intelligence information that President William Ruto has voted to displace the Gema community that has a big vote in Nairobi by destroying their businesses and sending them back to the rural areas, to deny them an opportunity to participate in the next general election within the county of Nairobi.
Ni akuga ena bare ngavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni atumeretie abiashara baria batungatirite kaunti euba kuma miriga ya kirimara batikare wena agirekeria ni auretie Umomori owa KeNHA urungi kwe.
We have also information that Governor Sakaja has ordered that business people and contractors who have rendered services to the county government of Nairobi and come from the Kikuyu, Embu and Meru communities should not be paid. They have been struggling for the last 3 years with pending bills, and this community has been targeted for impoverishment and being denied their rightful dues after doing work with the county government of Nairobi. I therefore call upon the relevant authorities to immediately halt these demolitions and subject the entire exercise to a transparent and fair review.
Caleb Mutembe, Meru TV.